Possible Finance gives you a structured short-term loan with fixed repayment dates, while Dave gives small cash advances designed to cover temporary gaps before your next paycheck. By the end, you'll know how each app actually gives you money, how repayment works in real life, and which one is less risky depending on how often you need cash. Start with Possible Finance. Possible Finance is a lending app that issues small installment loans through your phone. You apply in the app, and if approved, you get a set loan amount that you repay over scheduled installments. Payments are automatically pulled from your bank account on set dates. The key idea is structure. You know exactly when payments are coming, which makes budgeting easier if your income is stable. Now look at Dave. Dave is a financial app that offers small cash advances meant to bridge short gaps between paychecks. Instead of a traditional loan structure, it gives you access to a limited advance that is repaid automatically when your next deposit hits. That makes Dave feel more like a short-term buffer than a loan product. Now compare approval and access. Possible Finance tends to focus on income and repayment ability when deciding approval. Dave focuses more on your account activity and eligibility inside the app system. That difference affects consistency. One is closer to a lending decision, the other is closer to app-based cash access. Now look at repayment behavior. Possible Finance uses fixed installment payments spread over a short period. Dave usually takes repayment back in one automatic transaction when your paycheck arrives. That means Dave is simpler, but less flexible if your paycheck timing changes. Now compare usage style. Possible Finance is better when you need a slightly larger amount and want structured repayment. Dave is better when you need a small buffer to avoid overdrafts or timing issues before payday. Now talk about cost reality. Both apps charge fees or require paid features, depending on how you access funds. The important thing is not just the fee, but how often you rely on the advance. Frequent use can turn small fees into a repeated expense cycle. Now here's the decision point. Choose Possible Finance if you want predictable repayment and can handle scheduled installments without surprises. Choose Dave if you need fast, small advances that automatically clear on payday with minimal setup. One mistake people make is treating both apps as long-term financial tools. They are designed for short-term gaps, not ongoing monthly borrowing. Another mistake is borrowing without checking repayment timing first. That usually causes overdrafts or tight cash flow right after payday. Quick recap. Possible Finance gives structured installment loans. Dave gives small payday-style advances with automatic repayment. Next step is simple. Match the app to your cash flow style, not just how fast you can get money. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of money apps without the confusion.